What is going on, my good old friends of YouTube? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So you read the title. We have to break down Palantir as we're getting into another brand new week in the stock market. And if we have time later in the video, we'll break down the indexes, maybe some other stocks that I'm looking at. But first, guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account and deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks, and deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to stasurfs.com/moomoo. Get your free stocks and let me know in the comments which ones you get. And now, let's get into it. So on Friday, Palantir stock ended up going up 1.5% on the day, closing at $67 per share. So we had a pretty good day, right? And mind you, Friday, we had a short day in the stock market. It was the day after Thanksgiving, which, by the way, I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to all you guys out there watching. And by the way, today's the 1st of December. So, man, 2024 is wrapping up. Hope you guys crush the last month of the year. So on Friday, during the short day, we had a very good day for PLTR. We opened up in the mid 65s, and in the pre-market, I'm not sure if you guys saw, but we were in the low 65. So then we opened up at around, again, mid 65s, like I said, and we ran all the way to about $67 in the first couple of minutes of trading. And then you guys can see we kind of triple topped at about $67, up till around, well, at about 11 a.m. on the East Coast. At that point, we already hit $67 3 times, pretty much. We got that triple top. Then we sold off a little bit, and look, we held a higher low. Look at how the bulls came in, bought up the dip, held a higher low on the intraday, then we rallied into close. We took out the highs actually from earlier when we triple topped. We saw that big rally, took out those highs, and we hit $67.18. And look, on the 5-day, 5-minute, what's going on here, guys? We have clear resistance in the 67s. Clearly, not just from Friday, but also from a couple of times over the last couple of days. And look at this. We have higher lows being made into this resistance. So what is this? This is an ascending triangle, PLTR, heading into this week, even though in the grand scheme of things, you could argue it's overbought. It's got to, pull down, sell off. You can argue that. On this time frame, though, it looks like we might be going higher before we get the pullback. If we even get the pullback, right, guys? Which eventually, we will get a pullback. But at this point, again, even though we're arguably overbought on the larger time frames, it looks like we're about to explode on this 5-day, 5-minute, does it not? We have that triangle, like I said, and we also have, it looks like, maybe a cup and handle here. You guys see, some cup and handle action on the 5-day, 5-minute. And on this 30-minute chart, we have another cup and handle. You guys see the bigger cup and handle at this point here, right? We have the cup, we have the handle right here, and again, that triangle is clear as day. So, guys, all signs are pointing, as of now. Things can change, though, by the time you're watching this video. Maybe if it's tomorrow, the next day, I don't know. Usually, you guys only watch these update videos, which makes sense, but usually for the first day or two, they're out, then they die off, which they're not meant to have longevity, these videos. But let's say you're watching it later on, who knows? It might be different, but as of now, we do have the ascending triangle, cup and handle, and all signs are pointing to more upside. So guys, for this week, I'm going to set some alerts. I'll put one at $68 per share. Let me do that right now. Mark is at or above $68 a share, so that would put us right above last week's highs. It looks like here also from the middle of November, we hit about 67.40, so that's a big spot. So guys, we're pretty close to 70 bucks. We're one breakout away, and it looks like we might be getting it. So I might as well put another alert now that I think about it at 67.50 as well. So one at 68, one at 67.50. So two alerts are set there. And man, you know, it could go higher. It's crazy to say that, but it could go higher based on how we're setting up on those smaller time frames. So guys, what are you doing? Me personally, I'm still holding on to my long-term position. I'm not looking to buy or sell for that matter. So long-term position for this week for me, untouched. That's the plan, right? But in my trading account, might trade this thing. Who knows? If we do get that breakout, the momentum starts picking up, might trade this thing because it might be going to 70 in the short term if that breakout happens. Big if. Who knows? I mean, it's already up a lot year to date, month to date, week to date, every time frame. It's up so much. So who knows what's going to happen, guys? But that's kind of how we're setting up right now. And in terms of the overall stock market, guys, we're heading into this brand new week, last month of the year. We're heading into it pretty much at all-time highs. SPY just hit 603 on Friday. This is taking out a multi-week resistance. SPY looks like the triangle is playing out, does it not? I mean, clear as day. You guys see that. So SPY is very bullish, arguably going a lot higher in the month of December, at least this week, based on the charts. So that looks really bullish. QQQ also looks pretty good. We're one breakout away from all-time highs. My alert set at 510, pretty much right around the highs from last week. So if we're able to get fully out of that point, 510, 511, 512, boom, breakout, all-time highs, QQQ, it's going to be there. So, guys, what I'm trying to get at here is if we do get the overall market to continue to break out, which it seems like that's what we're looking like right now. That's where things are pointing. SPY's breaking out of the triangle. QQQ is looking pretty good. One full breakout away from all-time highs. The Dow, for Pete's sake, just hit all-time highs. What I'm trying to get at here is PLTR, Palantir, not will for sure. We don't know. Nothing's guaranteed here, guys. But if the overall market trends up this week, Palantir might follow, or might give it even more reason to go higher. Palantir, right? It might give it that extra boost to get to that $70 price target that we're talking about here, right? So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? I'm really curious. Let me know down below in the comments. Are we hitting 70 this week, or are we going back down to, let's say, $65, maybe $62.50? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about that. Where are we going this week? Make sure to hit the like button on this video. Do not forget to subscribe. We're almost at 45,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Join the email list. It's free. I'm actually sending out an email tomorrow, my top 3 stocks, which I do every single Monday. So join that, link down below, and you might as well get your free stocks for Moomoo. Once you open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, if you want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below, or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.